Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE EC 2002. The question is, which of the following cannot be Fourier series expansion of periodic signal? So if signal x of t is periodic, then we can expand in Fourier series. If x of t is aperiodic, Fourier series is not possible. That is the clue we have to use. No Fourier series, right? So you see from here, this is cos any sinusoid signal in continuous domain is periodic. Periodic plus DC, it is always periodic only. So this is not an answer. Okay. And you see it is periodic. It is also periodic. And second thing is the ratio, the first signal periodicity and the second signal periodicity should be rational number. T1 by T2 should be rational. So from A, you see what is the period of first signal? It is 2 pi by omega is 1. So 2 pi. What is the period of this one? 2 pi by 3. Because T is nothing but 2 pi by omega. So what is T1 by T2? T1 by T2 is 3. 3 by 1. So it is a rational number. So since it is a rational number, it is periodic. So this is also not answer. The question is cannot be, right? So cannot be is not can be. So let us take B. What is the periodicity of first one? T1 is 2 pi by pi. 2. T2 is 2 pi by 1. So that is 2 pi. Omega, for this omega is pi, for this omega is 1. So what is T1 by T2? T1 by T2 is 1 by pi. It is irrational, not rational. Okay, so the answer is B only. Since it is irrational function, rational means periodic, irrational means aperiodic. So it is aperiodic signal and Fourier transform cannot be, Fourier series cannot be used. Let us check for this also. What about this one? T1 is 2 pi by omega is 1.5 pi. T2 is 2 pi by 3.5 pi. So what will happen? T1 by T2 is 2 by 1.5 into 3.5 divided by 2. 2 to cancel. It is 35 by 15. Ratio of integer, rational number. So that can also be expressed by Fourier series. So this is not a correct answer. Option B is a right answer. So this is the correct answer. Thank you.